made a mug rug once. And so I was really nervous to start stitching on a denim jacket, especially like floating the fabric, because I don't think I've ever done that before. I was a little nervous not having it in the hoop. But once I got going on the machine, it was great. Actually very, very easy. Yeah. I picked it, my daughter, I'm making this for my daughter, she absolutely loves space. So I had picked it out and decided I wanted to do it on a jacket, and then last night I had asked her which designs she liked, and immediately she said, "You matter." And I said, "Okay, let's look at the rest." And she says, "You matter." And I'm like, all right, perfect. So I decided I had to do that one for her.
Look what Makayla did.
Look straight at it right there? Straight at it. Yeah, my experience with machine embroidery is little to none. These are supposed to be applique, like the whole world, right? I've done it once, and I got help from many people. You know, hoop and sticky back stabilizer was a fun time. I stabilized it backwards. I was doing it right until I learned I did it completely wrong. That makes sense. The sticky side is not showing. This is very slippery. The part that I peeled to show and stick the tea towel on actually wasn't the sticky part. So I had to flip it over, redo it, but it was easy and it was a fun experience. 10 people helped me. I think everyone on the marketing team helped me out once.
I'm pushing the walk.
I did the You Make the World a Better Place. I just did it on a nice tea towel. You can never have enough tea towels, and I think my wife will like it a lot.
My name is Jasmine, and I'm the art director at Kimberbell. My experience with machine embroidery is always slightly frustrating because I don't have enough patience the way most of our Bellas do.
Do you want to stop it right now?
Yeah, let's stop it.
Stop it.
What happened?
It's sideways.
Oh, you pulled a Bryce.
Sometimes getting
Today I'm actually not quite done with my project, but I made a t-shirt for my daughter. It says "You Are Loved." I'm making matching ones. You can tell that I made it with love because it's slightly crooked. And that's my experience with embroidery.
I've never really machine embroidered until I came to Kimberbell. We did a sew night at the first day that I was here, and other than that, I haven't ever machine embroidered before. I love it. It's actually really fun. It's kind of a good way to just do some stuff with yourself and be creative for a second. So I had some help from my friend Andrew, who's talking to me right now. But no, it was actually really easy. It was with the sticky back stabilizer. It made it really easy to just like stick it right on and then pull everything up, and it wasn't bad at all. I did the You Matter. It's right here on a t-shirt.
My experience with machine embroidery is when I got hired at Kimberbell, they have us go and do a test project, and I did a mug rug, and that was the first time I've ever used like a machine embroiderer. Is that how you say that? An embroidery machine. Today we did the Spread Kindness one, and I did the Grow Positive Thoughts, and that was just my second experience with embroidery machines. I won't be gifting this to anyone. This is my prized possession, so it is mine. If I was going to gift it, I would gift it to my older sister. We both love embroidered clothing, and so she would probably love it as much as I do. It was relatively easy. Like, the instructions were super clear, so I just followed them to a T. They were my saving grace, and it was great. Look how cute! It's adorable. I decided not to do the Grow Positive Thoughts because I wanted it to fit in this little space. And the flowers turned out so good. I'm so happy about it.
I'm Eileen, and I'm in customer service and a part-time model. I have done very little, and this was so fun to do tonight because I learned a lot of things that I didn't know before. It couldn't be very hard because I'm just starting, and they helped me kind of hoop and get started, and then I took it from there and I did the rest of it. It's very easy to follow the directions. I loved it. I did this spread kindness like confetti.
Hi, I'm Debbie Baldwin, and I work in customer service. Machine embroidery, this is only my second time doing it, so not very much.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how difficult was this project?
Oh, I would say about a 3. Once I was given some help and got started on it, the instructions were really easy to follow, and it was fun. It was a lot of fun.